We are trying to figure out the time that the dispatcher retrieves the data. All right, so this is a distance rate time problem. And we're told that Ben averages 20 miles per hour, so that's a rate. And we're told that Al does 40, averages 40 miles per hour. And the time is the amount of time they're on the road, okay? So let's say Ben's time is X. Well, he leaves at 8 o'clock. Al leaves at 11 o'clock. So he leaves 3 hours later. So basically one guy goes east and one guy goes west. And then we're told that at some point their total combined miles they traveled is 240. Well, distance, rate, time problems, you always fill in completely 2 columns. It doesn't matter which columns, it's just based on what information is given you. Now we know that distance equals rate times time. So Ben's distance is 20x. And Al's would be 40 times x minus 3. And we know at a certain point, if I add the 2 distances together, 20x plus 40 times x minus 3, I get a total distance of 240. So distribute the 40, that gives you 20x plus 40x minus 120 equals 240. Add 120 to both sides and get 360, and that gives you 60x. Divide both sides by 60, and you get x equals 6 hours. So x is 6. This guy has been on the road for 6 hours, and he started out at 8 o'clock. So that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2 o'clock. And if I look at my answers, there's a 2 o'clock. The answer is B. Okay.